Welcome to Northgate's virtual gallery show. I just wanted to show you guys how to use it. My name is Carolyn Moore. I am one of the art teachers here at Northgate, and I decided to put together a simple visual art gallery for you guys to enjoy. Go ahead, when you hit on the link, you'll get to a page that looks like this. You're going to press present, and you can present smaller if you want, presenter view, present from beginning. I'm just going to press present, and it's going to give me a full screen here. And you can see it says, Welcome to Northgate High School Virtual Art Gallery. And then if I go to page 2, you're going to see some directions, and there should be some artwork that's loading. Internet is slow, but it is loading. So as soon as the artwork loads, I will show you how this works. So if you click on the Artworks logo, you will see it up close with the name. Okay, so then to go back, you would want to click back to page 1. I'm going to put a back button in there. I just haven't yet. That's coming. So I will get you back to the whatever page that came from. So if that's one way you can look at it. Second way you can look at it is click on the name to show and see the works of students who participated in the project. So you can see, oh, there it is. You can see on this next page, there is a name of the project here. This was the Hero project. So if you want to see all the artwork from the Art Design AB class that did the Hero project, you could press here, and it will take you to that pages, and you can go through one by one on that project and look for your students' work. Again, when you get to the end, these will have buttons to go back to the page that you came from. So you'll be able to get back to that page. Other way you can look is, say you want to just see what comes out of class Art Design AB. You could click on that page and it will give you the Art Design AB. And then by pressing the arrow forward, you'll see works by Art Design AB students, just like the Hero assignment, but they will go down the line that way. So if that's something you're interested in doing, please view this art gallery that way. If you want to actually just have an overview of all of your students' work, then what I would do is look at the art gallery this way. So go, oh, let me look, and then go to the next one. And you'll see that all the classes are represented on the art gallery walls. They're just done in different designs and ways. So again, if you want to press through this way, you will notice that every art class is representative. And I will leave you there with the Put Bernie on Your Own photo project that CTE Photography did. Have a great day. I hope to see you in the Zoom room, or your student next year or this year. I've had a lovely year. It's been tough, but we keep on going. Thank you.